Welcome back to your Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales. We have Ashley Garlow powering the technology by Arvis today, and we are here for another great ribbon cutting with a longtime friend of mine, Lee Belichick from Elite Powersports Repair, and on site and an expansion of what you already do, Lee. So tell everybody about that.
This is Elite Powersports Repair. We do repairs of all power sports, from ATVs, quads, side-by-sides, jet skis, boats, motorcycles, golf carts, go-karts, and pretty much anything in between.
Wow, just about everything.
Yes.
And the demand is high for that sort of thing here in
Very
the
high.
area, right?
Yes, very high.
Okay, and so you own Elite
Automotive Repair, yes.
Which is just across the street. And then what gave you the idea to start this?
We saw a need for it, and most of the guys in the shop have equipment as well, varying different pieces. Most of ATVs, quads, side-by-sides, boats. And I have a jet ski, and there was, when you needed something to get repaired, you couldn't find a good place that did pretty much everything. So we thought we're pretty good mechanics, and we just branched off and did this. We have some guys that are certified in this. So we just decided to open. The shop was sitting, this is where we started our business to begin with. And we had this sitting here, so we went ahead and fenced in across the street to keep everything secure. Customers drop off equipment, and we just started up. We're going to go with it.
Great. So tell people how they can find you on the web and your Facebook page, all that good stuff.
Elite Powersports Repair. You can find us on Facebook. Our website is in the middle of being developed. It should be done in another week or two. You can give us a call at 870-701-3006. Of course, you can always give Elite Automotive a call at 870-580-0757.
And the address here
is 108 South Baker Street.
108 South Baker Street. You can also find them in the membership directory at the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce's website, enjoymountainhome.com. And by the way, you've got an incredible couple mechanics here.
Yes, you do. Jonathan is going to be the manager, lead mechanic. Certified here. Colin helped us get started.
There he is.
Colin is master certified, right? As well. So we have good mechanics on staff. Also, one important thing I wanted to push out there is when you bring something in, there's never going to be any question as to what the bill's going to be. We're going to look at it, we're going to troubleshoot it, then we're going to give you a written estimate, parts, tax, labor, down to the penny, so you know exactly what the bill is before we start working.
Very good. That's always a good thing.
Most people like that, yeah.
Yeah, we sure do. All right, well, how about let's cut that ribbon?
Let's do it.
All right. And on 1, 2, 3, cut it.
Yeah!